Hello, today I'm gonna make one of the easiest and best stuffing ever. I've made this forever for my family and they loved it. So what we need for this recipe is some butter, chopped carrot, like 2 cups chopped carrot, 2 cups of chopped celery, 1 cup of chopped parsley, either curly or Italian parsley, and 2 cups of chopped green onions, 1 egg, and I have 10 cups of store-bought breadcrumb. You can buy it from any store during the Thanksgiving, and also any brand. And I have 4 cups of chicken broth. You can use your own broth or turkey broth, any broth you like. So let's start. I'm going to add half a cup of vegetable oil. I use grapeseed oil, and add my chopped green onions and start the cooking. We will cook this for 3-4 minutes and then add the other vegetables. I'm going to add my carrots, like around 2 cups, and my celery. This is like 2 cups or so too, and 1 cup of chopped parsley, and cook them for 4 or 5 minutes to get them soft. So my greens are soft already. I'm going to add my 4 cups of chicken broth. This is 5. I'm gonna keep some of them. 4 cups of chicken broth, and let it cook. And I'm also going to add a teaspoonful of poultry seasoning. You can get this from any store. This is a small thing. I'll add 2 teaspoons of little more poultry seasoning, and mix it. Okay, I'm going to add my breadcrumbs. This is 9 cups, and start mixing them. The other thing is, if you mix your mixture and then you realize it's kind of dry and you want your stuffing to be soft, you can always add some more broth. That's why I kept a little extra here in case I need it. Okay, I have greased my pan, my roasting pan already with some butter. So I'm gonna pour the mixture in the pan. Okay, we have now we had 1 egg. I lightly beat the egg and put it on our mixture and just give it like a light stir. Okay. I'm going to add some butter, just like this. It's like almost half a stick of butter. So we are gonna bake this for on 350 degrees for 40 minutes. But the first 20 minutes I'm going to cover it. So cover it for the first 20 minutes, then I'll take the cover and bake for another 20 minutes. But you can always mix and then mix it to make it evenly cook everywhere. Okay, our stuffing is done. Look how beautiful it is. So this is it. We're gonna plate it. Here is our yam with maple syrup and cinnamon and butter, if you like. And here is our green beans casserole, which I decorated with fried onions. And here is our roasted turkey, perfect roasted turkey. And here is our garlic gravy. It's a perfect gravy. This is my secret gravy sauce, and it's so good. If you make this, you will never go back to different gravy. And here's our homemade cranberry sauce. And here's our the best stuffing you can ever make. I hope you make all these dishes and enjoy your Thanksgiving. I'm going to make them and enjoy them with my family. And thanks for watching, and see you again. Bye.